Hello students, in this video we will discuss combination of capacitances in series. Let us consider three capacitors with capacitances C1, C2 and C3 connected in series across a battery of potential V. In series combination of capacitances, the charge Q on plates of each capacitor is the same and is equal to the total charge supplied by the source. However, the potential V supplied by the source is divided among the three capacitors in inverse proportion to their capacitances as V1, V2 and V3. Thus, higher is the capacitance of a capacitor, lower is the potential drop across its plates and vice versa. Thus, the total potential V supplied by the source is equal to the sum of potential drop across the three capacitors. Or in other words, we can write total potential V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. If C equivalent is the equivalent capacitance in series combination of capacitors, then total potential V supplied by the source is given by V is equal to Q upon C equivalent. So comparing equation 1 and equation 2, we get, in place of V, we can write Q upon C equivalent is equal to V1 can be written as Q upon C1 plus V2 as Q upon C2 plus V3 as Q upon C3. Or we get 1 upon C equivalent is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. To determine the magnitude of potential drop on capacitor with capacitance C1, the potential drop V1 will be equal to the total charge Q on capacitor plates divided by the capacitance C1 of the capacitor. So we can say V1 equal to Q upon C1. Now from equation 2, Q is equal to C equivalent into V. So substituting Q is equal to C equivalent into V, we get V1 is equal to C equivalent into V upon C1. Similarly, the potential drop across the capacitor with capacitance C2 will be given by V2 is equal to Q upon C2. Again from equation 2, Q is equal to C equivalent into V. So substituting Q is equal to C equivalent into V, we get V2 equal to C equivalent into V upon C2. Similarly, the potential drop across the capacitor with capacitance C3 will be given by V3 equal to Q upon C3. Again from equation 2, Q is C equivalent into V. So substituting Q is equal to C equivalent into V, we get V3 equal to C equivalent into V upon C3. To understand this concept better, let us consider an example on combination of capacitances. This is question number 31 asked in UPSEE examination 2018. An infinite number of capacitances 2 microfarad, 4 microfarad, 8 microfarad, 16 microfarad and so on are connected in series. The equivalent capacitance of the system is. So in this question, we are provided infinite number of capacitors which are connected in series, and we have to determine the equivalent capacitance of these capacitors connected in series. So the equivalent capacitance is given by 1 upon C equivalent is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3 plus so on. In the question, the value of C1 is 2 microfarad, C2 is 4 microfarad, C3 is 8 microfarad, C4 is 16 microfarad and so on. So substituting the value of C1, C2, C3 and C4, we get 1 upon C equivalent is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16 plus so on. This represents an infinite series of geometric progression, which can be further written as 1 upon C equivalent is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 2 square plus 1 upon 2 cube plus 1 upon 2 raised to the power 4 plus so on. The sum of the infinite series of geometric progression is given by first term upon 1 minus common ratio. So here the first term is half and common ratio is half. So we substitute and get the value half upon half, which comes out to be 1 microfarad. Thus the equivalent capacitance turns to be 1 microfarad.